Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about a math class, and by using math class we can actually access some function and we can actually find some value, obviously valuable. Okay, so let's start it. And here I'm going to say that okay, math class dot python, and here if you want to use or access math class function you have to import it at first. So to import a class you have to say like this, import math. And now let's say I want to access the math class function. Let's say I want to find the value of pi, so I need to print it, right? So how to print it? And we just have to say here print, and here I have to say math.pi. It's not pi. Okay, and here I'm going to remove it and now execute it, and here you can see the pi value 3.1416, so the 9 will be rounded. So one more thing, let's say now the pi value is let's say v1 or value 1 is equal to 3.1416 15, okay, let's say, and 9 or let's say 15. Okay, so if we use let's say a function, I want to say result a variable, and here I'm going to say the function, so the function will be math dot, and we can actually access the function, and the function is ceil. Okay, and here we just have to mention the variable or value. So the value is stored in a variable, we have mentioned the variable, and here I'm going to print the result. Now it will actually 1416, and here you can see 4. Okay, sorry, it will be 4. Why? Because the ceil value, ceil will actually increase the value. We have 3.1 here, so the ceil will actually increase it by 1 by removing the dot, I mean the floating value. Okay, and if you want to find the floor value, so you can actually say result is equal to floor. Sorry, we have to use the math class, so math dot, then the function is floor. Okay, and we just have to mention the value, but here we just have to set the value 1 is equal to, once again, 3.1415. Why? Because, okay, let me just say it 14, because the value is now 4 here, right? Value equal to 4. Okay, so now it will be 3. If I run it, here you can see, okay, I have to print it, right? I haven't printed yet, so I will say result, and now if I execute it, now you can see 3. So let's say I want to set the value 1 is, let's say, 16. All right, so I want to set the result variable here once again, and I'm going to say math function dot square root, and here I'm going to say the value 1, and I'm going to print the value here, I mean the result here. If I execute it now, you can see the 4. Why? Because the square root of 16 equal to 4, right? Okay, so these are math functions, and we have a bunch of different math functions. Okay, so yeah, you can actually go through them. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.